Hello everyone, this is Colin here with another homeowner's DIY video. If you've got an undersink RO system and you're finding that the water flow is pretty anemic and you've had the system for a while, it's likely that you need to recharge the water storage tank that is under the sink. So we're going to walk through how to do that. To do this job, you need exactly one tool. Bicycle pump. You'll need one that has a pressure gauge on it, and that is reasonably accurate on the low range of around 7 to 9 pounds. Okay, the first thing we want to do is to close off the water to the RO system. For us, at this spot, it's going to be this valve right here. And we'll just close this guy off. While we're under here, we're going to find the valve, the Schrader valve, which is a bicycle tire pump style valve to fill the tank. It's got a little blue cap on it here, and so we'll take the cap off so we're ready to access that later. Now we're going to depressurize the tank by opening the valve and letting it drain into some convenient container. As you can see, this one's pretty well empty because there was very little that came out of there. So we're going to leave that open. Okay, now we're going to hook up our bicycle tire pump to the Schrader valve on the tank. Same way you do any other Schrader valve. And we're going to start putting air in there. We're going to want to do something on the order of 7 to 9 pounds of pressure. This is going to push the water out of the tank, so leave your valve open and or your tap open here as you're pumping air in with something to catch it. And you have to go real slowly here because you're going to put basically a pump in. You'll remove a bunch of air, or you'll remove a bunch of water, and then you'll have to wait for that pressure to stabilize. So go nice and slow. Okay, well, we've finished pumping out the water. At this point, the valve is open. We've only got a couple drops coming out here. And we've got about 9 pounds in the tank, which is our goal. We wanted between 7 and 9 pounds. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect the Schrader valve, put the cap on it, and then recharge the tank. There's our valve disconnected, and we're going to go ahead and put our little blue cap back on. Okay, and here we are about an hour later, and the tank is fully charged. You can see how fast it'll fill up a glass of water now. Much better than before.